Alright, everybody. Sean Baldwin, Region 102 Supervisor. Today we're going to be introducing the transformer spreader bar that we're going to be demonstrating on how to properly install a transformer and remove a transformer. I got a crew here that's going to demonstrate proper use. Bobby, Lee, Joey, we're going to start picking up the transformer and I'll show you how to use it. With this sling system, there's no need for the third leg of the rope to go down to pick up the lid. The lid's going to stay in the open position, and once lifted, there's no way that that lid can come down.
Go right, Bob. Perfect, sir. Slowly down.
With this spreader bar system, the loops are big enough where you can put a tag line in on each side and you can be able to maneuver and twist without actually putting hands on.
Right down, please.
Keeps the lid completely away from you.
Set it down.
And that's the proper use to be able to use the new transformer spreader bar.